Hello, welcome my Tangle buddies, art buddies. Welcome to Tangle and Inspire. If you're first timer here, let me give you a small intro of what I'm doing. My name is Ashwarya Darbha. I am a CZT, certified Zentangle teacher. I live in Pune, India. I teach Zentangle art and I practice Zentangle art daily. These are my series where I am teaching you simple Zentangle patterns. You can just take your pen, paper and pencil and just start following the class. So here we are in June 2020 and all of us are right now in mid of the crisis, but we are fully engaged in creating beautiful art. Let us dive into today's tangle pattern. So the tangle pattern today is CAC from Adele Bruno. She is also a CZT. CAC is a very simple pattern with beautiful orbs like thing. You can add it to the main of your tile or you can add it as an extensions. So let us start with it. I'll show you the simple step outs and later on I'll show you the different variations. So you start something like an orb. Okay, and then you take your center or anywhere, just not even center, you can take it anywhere, and then you just half circle it and bring it to the top of this previous orb. Okay, so thereafter what you do is you can turn your tile. So this is actually a better way, and there you start putting lines and fill it with it. So once again like a triangle it comes the center and you fill it. So the whole point is that you will blacken one space and keep some white spaces and then blacken it. You see how it comes. This is the basic step out of the pattern. So I'll show you how I come up with the variations. So then what she does is you bring it back and then you can start something like this. Very simple delicate lines, bring it closer and closer, just touching one line above the other. Very relaxed and happy manner. So this is CAC for you, and let us draw some more style of it. What we can do, you can see that. Okay, and then just from anywhere you start it and you come to the top. Okay, and you can do something like this also. So if you don't want to rotate your tile, you can surely go like this. I hope my voice is audible here. I'll try to increase the volume of my voice. So okay, right. So thereafter you can Start your approach. So small and big, you can change your yeah. So small and big, you can just change the sizes also as you go along. Okay. So you can even start something like this, where she shows one cut and here it goes. So in this you can dramatically see one having a cutting edge. Okay, so you can keep this as white circle, or if you want you can fill up with the pattern. So on this I may want to just draw some orbs, okay, and just fill in the center. So you can do so many things like this. Just see to that you follow the same rhythm with the all tile. The same designs all over the tile. Okay. So once again, since the line is going like this, so I'll also take up like here. Okay. So here I go about, then create the center part. And just keep rotating your tile. Instead of moving your hand, you can rotate your tile. Okay. So this is CAC for Us by Adele Bruno. Okay, so let us jump into my journal. I'm going to show how I did one in my journal. So here's the CAC for my style of CAC, how I created. So let me just now work on one more page for this journal.